Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word quadrillion. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The national debt of the United States is currently over $28 quadrillion. A quadrillion is a number equal to 1 followed by 15 zeros. It is a very large quantity often used to describe astronomical sums or calculations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.